Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I haven't done a video in a month or so. Do a quick video because this completes my orange Taigarama collection. So this piece right here, which is the Mchette Voyage, I was dying to get when I first saw it on the catalog. And I found out in the US they only made the dark blue in the Mchette Voyage, and in Europe and the other countries they got the orange, which as you may know, it's my favorite color. I absolutely adore and die for orange. So when I saw it, I had to get my hands on it. So what I did was I asked a friend that lives in Australia to purchase it at the store for me, and she ended up shipping it over to me, which was really nice of her. So this one right here is the orange Taigarama pocket organizer. Here you go. I still haven't used any of these. This is the coin pouch. One of my more favorite styles that LV creates because it's on the cheaper side. It's cheaper than the pocket organizer, but I do believe this holds a lot more and it's a lot more versatile. So the pocket organizer, you can only fit so many cards in it before you start stretching it out, but this you can put 4 cards out here, but then you can also put a ton in here, and this thing stretches so you won't ruin the integrity and the shape of this. And you can also put coins, cash. I collect a lot of pocket organizers because I think they just look a little bit better. They're a little more compact. But honestly, if you were a person that's torn between a coin pouch style or a pocket organizer, I highly recommend the coin pouch. And it's a lot cheaper, which I don't really understand why, because I feel like it's a lot more useful, but hey, it is what it is. Okay, moving on to my favorite piece, the pochette. This thing is absolutely beautiful. If you see this thing in person, you'd be shocked. And I know orange is one of those colors that not a lot of people like, so like you either love it or hate it, I feel like. Well, especially when you're holding these bags because they're so bright and they're such a big statement piece. So here's the tab, silver hardware, silver. Okay, so this is the Taigarama Mchette Voyage. It is both Taiga cowhide leather, which is this trim right here, as you can see. So that is leather, and your Taigarama coated canvas right here, which is pretty much what most of the LV pieces are made of. This is perfect for like a banquet, a wedding, going out for a fancy dinner, or even if you're, you know, like a casual Sunday brunch, you can wear this. It does have flat inside pockets right here, which is pretty neat. So it's black on the interior, but it does have this orange credit card slot, holds 6 credit cards right there. It has textile lining inside, so I believe it's standard for most of their Mchette Voyage. But this piece here is absolutely gorgeous. I literally can't stop staring at it. I'm a little afraid to take it out because it is orange and it is on the lighter side, so I feel like it could easily get dirty, but I just got to use it with care. Hope you like the orange Taigarama haul. And I will be bringing, right now I'm waiting on the cloud collection, which I pre-ordered already, but I haven't received any pieces from it yet. I don't know the status of it, so once I get those items I will definitely make a video. Until then, bye.